Genesis chose a striking way to celebrate its 10th anniversary by showing what the brand's next decade might look like. The G90 Wingback concept is more than just a design exercise. It feels like a calm yet confident statement that Korean luxury is ready to stand shoulder to shoulder with the biggest names in the automotive industry. When viewed on its own, this car takes the familiar flagship G90 and transforms it into an elegant grand touring wagon. At the same time, it preserves its refined character while introducing a new level of performance, personality, and versatility. It is precisely in this balance of confidence and restraint that a truly human approach to design becomes visible. At the front, the signature grille and the twin-line headlights sit slightly higher, framed by a sculpted bumper with larger air intakes. Subtle arrow-shaped elements hint at serious speed without loudly announcing it. Wider wheel arches and custom 22-inch wheels create a broader and more stable stance, giving the car the appearance of a vehicle ready to cover vast distances with both comfort and style. Looking at the car from the side, its character shifts once again. The long wheelbase and extended roofline create a smooth wagon silhouette that feels both practical and artistic at the same time. At the rear, the traditional sedan trunk gives way to a full tailgate with a sharply angled rear window, two spoilers, and a diffuser inspired by sports cars. It serves as a vivid reminder that not every luxury vehicle needs to be an SUV. The deep green paint proves that Magma is more than just its famous orange shade. Inside, green magma tone stitching, quilted shimmyed seats, and understated logos add just enough drama to remind you that real power lies beneath the calm surface. This is the feeling of an iron fist in a velvet glove that Genesis often speaks about, expressed in a distinctly Korean style, with care, respect, and perfect balance.